Hello traders, and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by Trader Wisdom. In this video, I will be guiding you through the entire process of purchasing and setting up your Apex Trader Funding Rithmic account. So let's get started. As I mentioned in my previous video, Apex Trader Funding offers two account plans, Rithmic and Tradeovate. Once you're on the Apex Trader Funding homepage, you will need to make sure that you have scrolled down to the correct account plan. The Rithmic account plans are the first account plans you will see on the homepage. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and here are the Rithmic account plans listed first. They go from 25K all the way up to 300K. For this particular video, we're going to demonstrate how to purchase a 25K account. And we just click on the Rithmic button right here. Okay, so we're currently on the Rithmic order page. And before you continue, you always want to just double check and make sure that you are on the correct order page. Because as you can see right here, Rithmic accounts cannot be converted into Tradeovate accounts and vice versa. So right here, you can see we're on the correct Rithmic order page. Okay, so let's continue. Just going to start filling out all the information. First, you want to choose a payment system. You can choose any one of these three payment systems. We'll just stick with the payment option number 1. Next, you move on to entering your first and last name. However, if you want to trade using a business account under a business entity, you want to enter your business name, your business entity in the first name field, and then enter your full name in the last name field. Okay, so then we move on to email address, entering your email address, your username and password, and then over here you enter your physical address. And just to give you a heads up, do not use any commas or dashes. If you use any commas or dashes in any of these fields, it will hold up your account. Okay, so no commas or dashes. And also, any customers outside of the US, if you don't have a zip code, just enter 5 zeros here. This is if you're outside of the US. Now, once you finish filling out the address information, you're going to scroll over to the Enter Coupon Code area. This coupon code will give you the highest promotional discount that Apex Trader Funding is currently offering. At the time of this video recording, the discount is 71% off. If you click on my affiliate link in the description, this code will automatically populate in this field. Now, if you're looking for a code that's a little more user-friendly and a little bit easier to remember, you can use code WISDOM. This code will provide you the same discount as the other code. Okay, so now that you have your coupon code in, you want to scroll on down. Make sure that you don't check this box. You check this box only if you don't have a coupon code. So you want to leave this box unchecked. Okay, and afterwards, you just want to go through all these disclaimers. Check the box after reading each disclaimer. Okay, so after you read all the disclaimers and check all the boxes, you want to click on the next button. Okay, so once you're on this page, you just want to just confirm the information. You have a 25K Rithmic account, and it looks like the discount was also applied. Now you can move on over to entering your credit card information, name, credit card number, expiration date, and the credit card code. And then you click subscribe and pay. Now, once you finish your account purchase, you're going to receive an email from Apex Trader Funding saying that your account is being activated. This email has two helpful links. The first link is a step-by-step training course that teaches you how to trade using Apex Trader Funding. In future videos, I'll be going over this entire course and providing you helpful tips along the way. The second link are the Rithmic and NinjaTrader 8 setup instructions. Both of these links are available in the FAQ section as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link so we can get started with the setup. Okay, so we're on the setup page. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to download RTrader Pro. And go through the entire process. Agree to the terms. Now, if you happen to get an error message while trying to download, Rithmic sometimes can be finicky and sometimes give problems if you have your firewall up. So if you happen to have some sort of error message, it's most likely because your firewall is up. So you may just have to turn off your firewall and install Ninja, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so now Rithmic is currently up. Okay, so once you have NinjaTrader up, you're going to need to get your username and password. And you get these credentials directly from your Apex Trader dashboard. Okay, so once you sign on into your Apex Trader dashboard, you'll see your Rithmic credentials on the bottom right-hand side. So you just copy the user ID over here and then click on the box to show your password and copy that as well. Okay, so once your information is entered, you're going to want to scroll down and just compare to make sure that you have everything correctly. This is the model of how it should look. You have your username, password, system should be Apex, gateway should be Chicago area, and remember me should be checked. Okay, so you're all set, and now you could click log in. Now, when you click on login, you're going to receive this pop-up window. And you're going to have to click on each of these links and sign the agreements. And also on the second agreement, there is going to be a prompt for you to choose professional or non-professional. Always make sure that you choose non-professional. And once that's complete, you're going to get a pop-up of your Apex Trader Funder dashboard. And it's going to look like this. Quick tip, if you're having issues logging on and all of your credentials and everything else is correct, you may need to try rebooting your modem. Once you reboot your modem and then try again, the connection should work. Okay, so now that you're all connected, the next step is to set up NinjaTrader. So you're going to scroll down and click on this URL right here, account.ninja.com/register. And once you're on this page, you're going to type in the email address that you would like to use to register with NinjaTrader. After typing it in, click Sign Up. You will then see this page which informs you to wait 15 minutes and you'll be getting an email from NinjaTrader asking to confirm your email address. Okay, and this is how the confirmation email address from NinjaTrader will look. So you just click the confirm button. Okay, so after confirming your email address, it will send you back to the NinjaTrader page where you will need to set up and create a username and password. And after entering that information, just read the terms and conditions, check the box, and click on Create User. Okay, so after clicking on Create User, you're going to come up to this page. Make sure you save that username and password because you're going to be needing that. And don't click on Open Account. You want to click on this link right here, Not Ready for Live Trading. Okay, and fill out this information completely. Name, country, phone number. After the information is filled out, click Continue. Okay, so after clicking on Continue, you're going to see this pop-up dashboard and screen. Close out of this and head over to the top right and click on this user icon and click on Settings. And once on this page, you want to click on Plans and then click on Import License Key. And you get your license key from your Apex Trader dashboard. You can copy and paste it directly from there. Okay, so after signing onto your Apex Trader funding account dashboard, you click on the NinjaTrader setup and key. And then you scroll down till you see the NinjaTrader key. Okay, so after you're scrolling down, here's the NinjaTrader license key, and you just copy it from this page. Okay, and after pasting it in the field, click Import. You should see license key was imported successfully. Now that the license key has been imported successfully, you want to click on the download button over here. Okay, so after clicking on the download button, you have the option to download NinjaTrader's latest release or download NinjaTrader's previous release. At the time of this video, Apex Trader Funding has not made any announcements for us to use NinjaTrader's latest release. So until they do, I'll be sticking to their previous release. If it's not broke, don't fix it. So let's click on the download button and download version 8.1.17. While that's loading, there's one more setting that we have to change. So we're going to go to the user profile icon, click on settings, click on preferences, and we're going to change this from the month abbreviation to numeric. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to start the download process. Let's go through the wizard. Okay, so the setup is complete, so click finish. And you should see the NinjaTrader icon on your desktop. So you're going to click on that. Okay, so once the NinjaTrader pop-up comes up, you're going to enter the username and password, the NinjaTrader username and password that you created when you set up your NinjaTrader account. You're not going to enter in your Apex credentials or your Rithmic credentials or your TraderBait credentials. You're entering in the NinjaTrader username and password that you created. Every time you enter and want to trade using NinjaTrader, you're going to have to enter these credentials, your NinjaTrader credentials. Once you enter in the credentials, you click Login. Okay, so after clicking in Login, you're going to choose Simulation. Do not choose live trading. Choose Simulation. Okay, so once your NinjaTrader console is up, the first thing you want to do is go to Tools, Options, and make sure you're on General, and you want to click the multi-provider box. Click Apply, OK, OK, and as the instructions stated, we're going to need to restart Ninja. So we need to close down NinjaTrader. And then restart NinjaTrader. Okay, so we're going to enter in our NinjaTrader credential so we can get logged right back into NinjaTrader. Okay, so after logging in and your console is back up, now we're going to need to set up the Rithmic connection. And you do that by clicking on the connections drop down, click on configure. And now we're going to scroll down until we find the Rithmic or NinjaTrader brokerage option. So you double click on that. Okay, so over here, you can change the connection name to something you remember if you like, or you can just leave it the default setting. Don't check connect on startup. And over here is where you're going to type in the Rithmic username and password information that's on the Apex Trader dashboard. Okay, so once you go back onto your Apex Trader Funding dashboard, you're going to copy the Rithmic credentials, the username, and the password. So you're going to copy that information right here, username, password here. Don't check this box, leave that unchecked. And then over here for system, you want to scroll down until you find Apex and change that to Apex. And this plugin box you leave unchecked. Okay, so just as a recap, this is how the connection should look. You chose the Rithmic for NinjaTrader brokerage connection, which is right over here. You can change the name to something else if you like. You're taking the credentials from your Apex Trader Funding dashboard, the Rithmic credentials, and you're copying them over here. You're leaving this box unchecked. You're changing the system to Apex, and you're leaving this box unchecked. Once that's all done, you click OK. So after clicking on OK, you're going to try out the connection. So you go back to the connections drop down, and as you can see, the My Rithmic for NinjaTrader brokerage connection is right here. So we're going to test it and see if it works. You should hear a clicking sound, and this should turn green. Okay, so we're connected now. And as you can see, the light changed from yellow to green. And if you click on the Accounts tab, you can see your Apex Rithmic account right over here. This account above the Apex account is a simulation demo account that you can use to practice trading. But whenever you want to trade your evaluation account, you choose the Apex account right there. So your Rithmic account is now all set and connected to NinjaTrader. So until next time, happy trading and thank you for watching Trader Wisdom.